What's our next destination?
Well, I guess we could go to Dathomir.
Setting course for Wait a minute. You want to go to Dathomir?
I'm surprised Cordova went there. He must have had good reason.
I am staying put on the Manus once we arrive. Red sunlight cannot be good for your skin.
This place used to be home to a powerful cabal of Force wielders known as the Night Sisters.
They use the Force? What, Jedi?
No. These witches served only themselves. Their powers focused on deception, illusion, manipulation.
Huh. Sounds like someone I used to know.
During the Clone Wars, the Night Sisters made a deal with a Sith Lord who betrayed their trust. In the end, they were nearly wiped out in a massacre. Dathomir is a deadly place. We should be careful.
Don't have to tell me twice. Coming up on our creepy destination. Grab some seat, kid.
Cal, be careful here.
Good thing we weren't standing there. What is that thing? Wouldn't count on him being friendly. Little help. Hey, BD1. Hey. So what was in there? Looks like the Zepho were here. Strange. This place seems abandoned, but...
You trespass, Jedi.
You must be a Night Sister. I had heard you were all dead.
Not all. Dothamir is forbidden to you. Leave at once.
Well, I'm afraid I can't do that, but perhaps we could help each other. You see, Easy. I'm not your enemy.
Your actions say otherwise.
Wait, hold on. I'm not here to...
An adversary!
Don't lose sight of him.
On him!
If you see crawlers, strike quickly.
I've seen what comes from
81,
that
over
end.
here.
You speak. Look there.
Come back here! Come! Fight me! Get up close!
No!
Stim!
I'm taking worse. After the outsider! I see you down there.
It's locked down.
Fight me, you coward!
Move in, closer.
We're Night Brothers. I should tend to these wounds.
You cannot defeat our might.
Brothers, here! Running away! I got you!
Need a stim.
Come!
Brothers, stand with me. You can't win, outsider.
I cannot reach him!
Stim, here.
After them!
You don't have real power. let him rally.
Ah, fellow wanderer. I see you met the resident Night Sister, but unlike most, you're alive. A lightsaber? No, don't hide it. That would explain your survival.
Who are you?
No one to fear. Just a traveler, studying the nature of extinct cultures and dead philosophies.
You study the Night Sisters?
I study many things. But yes, that Night Sister, well, she was only a child when the war came to this world. She had to watch her whole family perish.
What do you know about those ruins?
Oh, ancient beyond belief. The Night Sister and her warrior kin were seduced by the power that lurks within. Avoid the ruins, or suffer the same fate.
Yeah, I can't jump that high. Yeah, far. Yeah.
Filthy night acts are everywhere. Except where they belong. Over at the fire. Good idea, bro. I'm hungry.
You don't seem ready.
Hey, BD1.
Finally. Glad you made it back in one piece.
There were some close calls out there.
Please tell me nothing followed you home, kid.
I need a second.
Time to go? Great. Hate sitting around like this. But what is that thing saying? I don't know why people have droids.
Tell that to him. He can understand you.
He can? Look, I didn't mean anything by it. Droids just freak me out.
What doesn't? You sound like an imp. They deactivate droids just because they can. That makes him one of us.
Oh, tough break. I take it back. You're all right, buddy. We're about to drop out of hyperspace. Sit down.
Tell me we're not running that blockade.
Oh, only as a last resort. I've rigged the Mantis' transponder to transmit Imperial signals. Hey, Grease.
Yeah,
Keep your power signature low and act like we belong.
just like Braca. No sweat. I don't need another set of hands. Just please keep your eye on the scanner.
All right.
Please.
All right.
All right.
I don't see anything.
You're preoccupied with something on the ground. We're clear.
That doesn't look good.
The Empire is devouring Kashyyyk for its natural resources. Wookiees have been enslaved or displaced.
Oh, that was a close one, kid. Aren't you supposed to be watching the monitors?
Guerrilla fighters, Wookiees and off-worlders ambushing an Imperial convoy.
Walkers approaching their position.
Tarful could be with them.
Awful could be anywhere, like deep in the ground, like we're gonna be if we get caught up in that battle down there.
We don't have any other options, and they'll die without our help.
So what's your plan?
Sabotage. We used to scrap walkers on Braca. I'll just jack one.
Get a load of the kid. He thinks we're back in the Clone Wars.
Captain, get us near those walkers.
Wait, what?
Listen, those walkers double as troop transport, so once you get inside, be careful.
I've no freeze grease to work his magic.
Hey, do me a favor. Stay alive down there.
I'll add it to the plan.
All right, if you're jumping, you better do it now, kid.
You ready for a swim, BD? get on top. More slippery than I thought. Okay, now where?
No pulse. Your turn to report fatalities. It's the Jedi! The Jedi! Yeah, okay. We'll be right behind you. Get him already. I'm after him. Keep steady. Get in there. Don't kill me. Ship on scanners. We brought more firepower than we thought. How's our hull looking? Badly damaged. We're at 70% integrity and falling. That should still be enough to stop out these insurgents. Keep us steady.
It actually worked. Okay.
You're in violation of Imperial Protocol
Shut that guy up.
207. Stand down or we won't...
Let's do this. That's the blasters. So that fires the cannons. Let's move forward. Someone who just brought Nada to the table. Who are you?
Someone making the Empire angry. We're advancing on an imp landing pad up ahead. I wouldn't mind fire support.
Copy that. Let's make him even angrier. Yeah, I'm okay. You all right? No, we are not doing that again.
You just wrecked a perfectly good walker. Got a name?
Cal Kestis,
Saw Gerrera. What are you doing on Kashyyyk?
looking for somebody. What are you doing here?
My companions and I came to Kashyyyk to disrupt Imperial supply lines. So, who are you looking for?
A Wookiee chieftain named Tarful.
Tarful is impossible to find. There's a reason he's evaded the Empire for this long.
He's a freedom fighter?
He's the freedom fighter, a symbol of the Wookiee resistance, striking at the Empire from the Shadowlands.
Seer, Grease, this is Saw.
How you doing?
What do you want with Tarful?
Jedi business.
The Jedi are dead.
Not all of them.
Get that off a corpse?
My master gave it to me.
This pad supports an Imperial refinery that runs on Wookiee slave labor. Intel suggests that some of the captives there are guerrilla fighters.
I should help them. One of them might know how to contact Tarful.
It's possible.
Whoa, wait a minute, hold on, wait a minute. The Mantis works wonders. I mean, it's a great ship, excellent pilot, but it is not built for close support.
We'll stay here and monitor Imperial transmissions. With a bit of luck, we'll intercept any distress calls.
Appreciate it. My lieutenants and I will scout ahead to prepare the attack. Join us when you're ready. Go, go!
Glad you're all right.
Yeah, good to see you too. This place is such a dump.
I need a second.
She's in no condition to fight. Heard Saw's hoping to find some news of Tarful at the refinery. A report came in this morning that he's been seen in the Shadowlands. One Imperial transmission pinned him near a Wookiee village, as if there aren't hundreds of those in the area.
Hey, BD1.
If anything goes wrong with this plan, we're finished.
Mari's mapped out the nearest garrisons. The Empire won't have time to send reinforcements.
Saw should be at the other end of this trench. What'd you find? No way across. Maybe something around here can help. Give me Doing okay, BD1? Doing okay, BD1? How much current can you conduct? Well, with this transformer, I bet you can short-circuit Imperial tech. Let's try it. Looks like a technician's bench. BD1? Good. I'm glad.
Jedi! Over here!
Imperial sap refinery lies dead ahead.
What does the Empire want with tree sap?
Nothing good. They're refining sap into a powerful compound, and they're rushing to expand production.
We have to stop them.
That's the plan. We don't know their end game, but they spread themselves too thin. This map we recovered proves it.
Here you go, bud.
These refineries double as brutal prison camps. We use those cutters to create a distraction, while you take your lightsaber and free the Wookiees inside. We need their help to stop the Empire.
Understood.
Watch yourself in there.
You hear that? Said he needs my help. Come on, buddy.
up already.
Come on, hit him! You can't stop him! He's damaged! Open fire! He's hard to track! Jedi hit! Find a weak point!
Attention all units. We've lost contact with our troops stationed at Cargo Pad 119 Greg.
Hostile approaching! Come on, insurgents!
Powerful.
Smash him! He's hurt! Yes! You! Get up here! You want to handle this? He just keeps slipping past!
Them? Hey, BD1!
Get up here! Hurry! I hit him! We'll take you! I can't catch him!
Help me, BD1.
A Jedi. This is what I'm trained for. I will make you suffer. Enough of this! You're lacking! Yes, be afraid! I won't falter! You hope to hit me? Continue en route. I have to make a stop. Never seen a trooper like that before. He's at a lockup. Keep moving, Jedi. Vents open. Go.
Tight fit, huh, BD?
Someone else attack him! Flame beetles, they're coming through the walls!
Hit their nest.
Is he really dead? Get him, quick! Let's take him out.
He's on the move. Tank ignite!
I'll bet I can beat you.
Little help. You sure you want to plug into this thing? Okay. Oh, shortcut. That's why you wanted to move this thing. You had no idea that was there, did you? You just wanted to turn that cutter on.
Your turn. Too scared. You're gonna kill us all? Jedi's weak. Take him out. We'll vanquish you. He's blocking. Move forward. Don't lose him! I just heard from the captain. They're coming. Oh, this is it. At least we have the high ground. What was that? Another hijacked cutter. Reporting a live cutter near the cell blocks. Immediate aid requested. It's breaking through and destroying everything. You think that's an intruder? Is that a person? Eyes up! Get in here! You will fall! I got him! Did we scare you? Get him! Commencing search. Come on, let's get him! Watch him, I need a minute. Don't let up! Dodge this! Fire on the enemy! We got this!
BD1, stim!
I'm not sure. There's something wrong with my helmet. Run a diagnostic. Oh, God, not yet. Then hurry up, soldier. It's the Jedi! Look out!
Still alive in there?
So far, almost to the prison.
Good. Imperial distress calls are going... across the planet. If you don't get the prisoners soon...
We can do this, I promise. Can't get through.
Might be right for once.